Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Echo device setup using Amazon Device Backup. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Echo device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. In the app, tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Echo and Alexa from the list of device types. Choose the Echo device you want to back up. Now, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the device settings. Scroll down until you find the Device Backup option. Tap on Device Backup to access the backup settings. You will see an option to automatically backup your device settings. Make sure this option is toggled on for seamless backups in the future. If you want to perform a manual backup, tap on Backup Now. Confirm your choice if prompted. Once the backup is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Remember, the backup includes settings like saved Wi-Fi networks and device preferences. To restore your settings on a new device, log into the same Amazon account. Follow the initial setup instructions, and your settings will be automatically restored. This process ensures your Echo device setup is secure and easily recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.